Hey, this is David. Today we're going to test the cycling thermostat on an electric dryer that's taking too long to dry. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a thermostat to check the dryer exhaust temperature. Our next check is the cycling thermostat. The cycling thermostat measures the temperature leaving the drum so that it maintains a consistent temperature by turning the heating element on and off. If you have a weak or failing thermostat, it won't allow the element to stay on long enough so water won't be released from the laundry. You can find the cycling thermostat on the blower housing. An empty dryer running with no clothes in it should read between 125 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit at the exhaust. To check the thermostat, take the laundry out of the dryer and pull the dryer out far enough to get behind it so you can access the vent port. Now you can remove the vent and turn the dryer on to a timed heat setting. With a thermometer, measure the temperature coming out of the dryer. It should read somewhere between 125 to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. If it's in this range, then it's good. But if it doesn't, you'll need to replace it. If your cycling thermostat is defective, you can order a replacement at AppliancePartsPros.com so you can replace it yourself. We've got thousands of videos to help you with diagnosing and making repairs. We also want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to let us know how the testing and repair process went. And if you haven't already, hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.